What's up, guys? Long time no talk, really. I've been so busy lately, it's actually kind of sad. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, what do you guys think of this hoodie here? You can't even really see it because it got the seatbelt. Hopefully that's red eventually, but yeah, we got the Smiles Per Gallon hoodie with got a little flag over there. I'll show you guys in just a second whenever I get where I'm gonna record. Even though we got the nice rain going on down here. It's about to start downpouring, I can already tell. It's gonna rain till tomorrow, but we're gonna make the most of it and still get a video out for you guys this weekend. I guess this will be during the week, but I'm recording this on the weekend anyway. But yeah, guys, I have some big updates to talk about here that I want to talk about in this video, and you guys saw that title. So let's go ahead and get somewhere that we can talk, maybe get a nice little clip of the exhaust here, and we'll talk about it. And also with the hoodie here, let me know down in the comment section down below, do you guys think that I should go ahead and put the Shop Lifestyle store back online and get some better products like this up there? Let me know down below, because if you guys are interested in that, I could really you know, use the support right now. So let's go ahead and let's just drive it. Let's just drive it. SRT, baby. SRT, baby.
A few moments later.
3, 2, 1. All right, so real quick, guys, the hoodie here, do you guys think I should drop these? Should I do a whole line? These hoodies are so much better than the ones that I had before. Like, I love these pockets. You see there's no like big pocket. They're just like actual little pockets. Look at this. It's so much cozier. It's nice and thick. It's nice and warm. Fits super nice. Got this on there. You know, I could show you the back over here real quick. You know, the back's got the lifestyle print on this one. You know, this is just a rough idea. I just wanted to test out these hoodies, but I'm telling you guys, like, these things, oh boy, these are way better than the other ones that I had previously. Like, yeah, just huge upgrades. So if you guys think that I should do a full little drop here and get shoplifestyle.com back online, if you guys are gonna show love and support it, then I could bring it back up and do some better quality stuff. You know, adjust the prices a little bit so you guys can, you know, get some gear. And it'll be a lot of stuff like this that'll be like Smiles Per Gallon designs, just good designs that you guys might actually want to wear rather than just like shoplifestyle.com, you know, just like basic stuff. But quick updates on the Jeep here. So it's obviously, you know, looking good. It's looking good. You know, it's slowly coming together and becoming what I wanted it to be. You know, we got that front plate off and whatever. You guys can see here, we did get that little sticker on the front like I had on my Charger. Now on this one, I'm not too particularly happy with it. I'm gonna be honest with you. It's just something about the placement and just everything. It just doesn't look right to me. I mean, you guys can kind of be the judge there and let me know what you guys think if it looks good. But I don't know what happened here. I think the tint people might not have done a great job. I'm not sure what happened. I don't know honestly. So you guys can see around where like the little bubbles are here, and then up here really bad. You see how it's not like dark? It's almost like bubbly, and then even down here is like that. It's almost like it has air trapped under there, and it starts about halfway up on there, and it drives me nuts. It's all around here where this camera is. I've never had this happen with windshield tint before, so I'm not sure why it's doing that or why it did that, if it had to do with me removing the original tint. The sides are obviously fine over here. You know, I have no real issues with the sides, but I'm having a little bit of issue with that windshield. They also tinted over the sticker here, which I would have just preferred to remove it because the big orange sticker kind of looks a little off to me. So I think we probably will be getting the windshield retinted here soon and redone, because I'm not particularly happy or satisfied with what's going on here. You know, it's not so great. And then of course, you guys remember I did the Borla Attack exhaust. If you guys did not see that video, go ahead and check it out on the screen now, wherever it's gonna pop up. And then I also did these like a while ago, and that's just been on there. I'm not sure if I like it, but then again, I'm not really looking at the back too much right now, so let me know what you guys think. You know, it was a cheap little thing just to tie it in and whatever, but we got the Borla Attack on here. You guys can see these were plasti dipped in the previous video, if you saw that. If you didn't see it, then you know, go ahead and check that out now. But you guys can see the plasti dip's holding up perfectly, and a lot of people were saying that they had plasti dip tips, or they had plasti dipped them in the past and had no issues. So you guys can see there that it's looking really good. Now, do you guys think I should delete this rear wiper? I do use it on occasion when it's raining and stuff like that, or when I get up early and there's some condensation and whatnot, you know, there's a little bit of dew on my car. I do use it sometimes, so that's kind of why I haven't got rid of it yet, because it's a cheap thing to do. But also, it's still cold outside, guys. It's still cold, but big things coming soon. You know, big moves have been made, and yeah, we have big things coming soon, so that'll be announced and revealed on the channel here, which is leading us right to the title and the topic here of, am I selling the Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT? Now, let's just jump inside and let's just talk about it, and let me just give a rough breakdown of why this video is titled that. Now, maybe that title was a little bit clickbait. Maybe it's a little bit after April 1st, so it's not really an April Fool's joke. I guess I could have done that for an April Fool's joke, but everybody does that, so I'm not doing that for April Fools. But this video is just strictly to talk about, you know, I haven't been uploading a lot, guys. I know you guys have seen that. You guys have probably noticed there hasn't been many uploads, maybe one a week. I do have a lot of ideas, like really good stuff. The Gladiator that my dad just got, my mom's going to be getting her 2-door Wrangler, so that's going to be really good. Expanding the Jeep content, we're going to be hitting all different angles, the Gladiator and the Wrangler. It's just going to be coming through the moon, right, with Jeep content. So if you guys love that Jeep content, make sure you do subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And if you're watching the video and you're not subscribed, which it's actually a lot of people that watch these videos that aren't subscribed, click the subscribe button down below right now. What are you doing? Come on, help me out. Now, guys, if you have seen that previous video where I talked about how much I am paying for this lovely SRT, you guys know that the price of it is like $893 a month on the car payment. Now, I do decently well for myself, so it's not a huge issue. I'm gonna be honest, like it's not huge. So you know, we don't really need to sell the SRT, but basically I have big moves coming. So basically, you know, I might have just put some money into something, and we might be making a video within the next month about somewhere or something. So in that case, I don't want to spoil it, but stay tuned on the channel because, like I said, you guys know where I've been at, where I've been recording everything, so things might be changing here soon. And yeah, I'll take you guys along for the journey because this is BJP lifestyle. It's not just BJP's Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. But yeah, do I love this Jeep? Absolutely. It's the ideal daily driver for me, other than the fact that I get like 11 miles per gallon, which is something that, you know, it does hit my mind sometimes, and I'm like, damn, I'm paying a lot of money for this thing. I mean, you got $140 for insurance, which I'm fortunate and very lucky that I'm able to get a pretty good insurance rate at a young age and whatever. But $893 a month for the car payment, which, you know, again, I'm very, very fortunate and lucky to be in the position where I can afford this, and also that I have this YouTube channel and you guys love the content and support, which is actually helping me, you know, pay for this, and it pays for the Jeep and the content that I do with it for the most part. Now, when you add the gas on top of that, you're paying like $300-400 in gas because you need premium. Takes a lot to fill up. You're getting like 11 miles per gallon. You got to go drive every day. It's a lot of money in gas, and it really adds up to like quite a bit of money to pay for this Jeep and whatever. But, you know, like I said, it is crossed my mind a little bit of like, damn, if I really need to, I could just get rid of the Jeep and go back and get like an Altitude, a cheaper one, a 5.7, like a limited or something that's maybe, I don't know, $500 a month, you know, cut like $300 or $400 off the payment. You know I could do that, and it's obviously an option. Or they do have that new one coming out on the newer 22 Grand Cherokees where you can, even though I don't really like how they look, but you can get the nice, I don't know what the thing is. It's like a twin turbo engine that's supposed to be pushing like 500 horses. Whenever that comes out though, you know there'll be content coming from me. I'm gonna go test drive that and see how I like it. But there's just something about that rumbling V8, you know, that 392 engine that just like, it just draws me in, and I love it so much. But yeah, I'm sure we'll have a whole video. Actually, I want to just make a whole video researching that and then talk about it, because that might be an option in the future. And, you know, the payment will probably be a lot lower on that, which is surprising when you think about it. But brand new versus a used one, you know, financing, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to touch base with you and just talk about, you know, where I've been, why I haven't been uploading a lot, and just let you know that big things are coming on the channel. I'm talking like we're going to be uploading all kinds of content, a lot more content, and a lot of things that people want to know, things that people want to find out, things that can improve your Jeep, things that can make your life better with your Jeep, and just overall good content like that. So let me know what you guys do think, and if you do want to show love with these, let me know, and I can go ahead and bring that back up and put them down in the description and let you guys know. I'll do all kinds of different designs, all kinds of different colors. You guys see, got a nice little American flag on there, whatever. Make them really nice, really cool, and, you know, stuff you want to wear, like the miles per gallon, baby, because, you know, this thing is not getting miles per gallon. This thing's getting miles per gallon, and that's pretty much all it's getting, to be honest. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think, if you're excited for the future and excited for the future content that's going to be coming. And if you guys want to show love, like I said, let me know, and we can get that working out. But thanks for watching, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure to smash the like button down below. Of course, subscribe and do all the other. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.
It be the one that ain't got nothing to do, got something to say. It be the one that say they finna shoot, gon' run away. I'm gon' be the one to take my people out the gutter, baby. I won't stop this shit until my mama leave my brother straight. Love is dead, fuck a friend, put them bands in the safe. 20 band, 50 band, 100 band.